Mickey and pals were about to practice for singing, but suddenly everyone got hiccups. The first method was counting up to 10 to remove hiccups. After counting, Mickey's hiccups was removed, but the remaining pals still have hiccups. The second method is to do polka dance, but Daisy needs something to do polka dance. Mickey called Toodles for the solution. We have a glue stick, tap dancing shoes, and a mystery musical. Which musical can we use to do polka dance? That's right, tap dancing shoes can do the trick. We got your say cheers. After polka dance, only Minnie and Daisy have removed their hiccups. Goofy, Donald, and Pluto still have hiccups. The third method is to sit on the bathtub with water. Donald jumps on it, and he felt cold. It's very hard to determine the water, which is perfectly okay. So Mickey called Toodles for something to measure the temperature of water. We have only left our glue stick and a mystery musical. Which musical can we use to check the temperature of water? If you select glue stick, then you are absolutely wrong because glue stick can't find the temperature. So that means it's the time for the mystery musical. Better call mystery musical to see what's inside it. It's a toy thermometer that can be used to find out the temperature of water to find it perfect. We got your say cheers. They switched hot water and cold water and used a thermometer to find the temperature of water is all right. They found it in Pluto. Goofy and Donald sit on it. After sitting bathtub, only Pluto's hiccups are gone. Donald and Goofy still have hiccups. The next method is to make 15 loops using Toon Plane. They reached the Toon Plane port, but the plane lost its back wing. They found the back wings, but they need something to attach to the plane. Mickey called Toodles for the solution. Only a glue stick is left that can be used to fix the back wings of Toon Plane. We picked all our musicals say super cheers. Using glue stick, they attached back wings of Toon Plane and get ready to go. They took 15 loops and came back to the port, and finally Goofy's hiccups are gone. But Donald still had hiccups, and he said he won't sing for the show organized by Clarabelle. They didn't give up. The last method was eating a pineapple. Donald swallowed the pineapple and found that the hiccups are gone. Everybody is ready for Sin on the show to sing very well and perform in the stage. Mission accomplished.